wanted to create a logo for your social media platform that would stand out and that people would identify with, this video is for you. This kind of logo could also be used for a favicon, that tiny logo that goes to your website when people open your website and they can see. See, with Canva, it's that C. We're creating a logo like that today that stands out, that has large characters that people can identify with. Join me. So the first thing that you would do, you're going to open your Canva, open a logo canvas, and then you're going to start designing. For this one, we're going to be searching for S, and we're looking for a graphic that we can use with the S and make it our own and tweak it. So this is the one that I found. I'm going to change color and make it a nice pink, and then I'm going to make it a bit large and rotate it. So then you're going to rotate it and make it large. Once you've rotated the graphic, you're going to copy it so that you have a duplicate of the graphic. Then you're going to crop it ever so cleverly that you take out the top section of the S. Click on done. Then you do exactly the same with the bottom section of your S, and you click on done. Once you are happy and you've cropped it, you will size it nicely so that it is aligned with the other U or S on the other side. Then you're going to press T to add text, and we are going to use the League Spartan font as our font for this design. So we first want to add a theme, and we're going to make this theme white, and we're going to change size for the theme, and then you're going to move your theme to above over there. Add more text, because this is my brand. I'm very passionate about exercise these days. Keep showing. 25 is fine. Then you move this to the middle of your logo. And the last text, we're going to use our keep showing up. We want that to be small letters, and we want to align that to this U. What we're going to bring the S a bit down, and we change color to pink. And there's your logo. It's just not in the middle of the page, so we're going to group it and then put it in the middle of the page so that it's centered. And your logo is done and dusted. Nice, big, huge. When people look at it, they immediately associate with your brand. So what you would then do is you're going to download it as transparent. If you don't have the pro version, by all means use remove.bg or try the transparent on the Canva Pro for 30 days and let me know how you feel. So we're going to download my page 3, and once it's finished downloading, you're going to jump into Photo P. So because this is for beginner, and a couple of people have asked me in the channel to be a little bit slow and show you how to do this for a beginner. What I'm suggesting that you do as a beginner when you're learning these PSD files, use the templates that are already on Photo P. Let's start there. You're going to click on where it says PSD template. I've loaded a couple of templates myself here. The one that I want us to use that I've loaded is this one that's called Inspiringbee. You click where it says 3D glass window logo. Then you move your mouse and you click where it says photop.com. It's going to open a separate window and it's going to load your PSD template there. Once it has loaded the PSD template, you need to follow these steps exactly as I'm showing you. If you miss a step, it's not going to work. So once it has loaded the PSD template, you're going to go to the right hand side. You're going to double click where it says your logo. so that it shows you this canvas with a checkered background with text on it. You're going to click on the eye to hide the inspiringbee text so that you can add your own content. You're then going to either go File, Open and Place, and you're going to go to your downloads to go look for the logo that you've just created, and you're going to click on it and say open. It will then load like that. That's one way. The other way, if you are using a Mac or a computer that downloads at the bottom of the page, you can just click and drag the design to your canvas. You then click and you hold so that you are able to drag the design that you've just made. So you click and you hold your design, then you stretch it in such a way that you're happy with the actual design. Once you leave it, you can then move the design to align it so that you see the lines that come up. With the design showing the boxes like this, then you know that you will have access to changing it to a smart object. You're then going to click on File, Save as Smart Object, and you wait while the software converts. And it will give you a message to say that Smart Object is updated and the lines you will see will be gone. You then click on 3D glass window logo once. Again, you wait. Awesome. Then it will convert it to your logo. 3D, done and dusted. Last thing I want to show you, if you don't like the backlight turned off and it's dark, you can click on the eye to switch off the backlight so that your design comes up in light like I've just done. Once you've done that, you're going to click on File, Export As. You can export it as a PNG file or a JPEG file depending on what you want. You click on PNG and then you click on Save. And then your 3D logo is converted. It's available. You can rename it and call it whatever you want, but it's done and dusted. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial. I will see you next time. Jump in on any of these other 3D logos that you see on the screen right now, and I'll see you next time.